Planning your first family camping trip – key considerations for a memorable adventure. In this video, we'll cover the essentials of what you need to pack for a fun, safe adventure outdoors. What to pack? Camping equipment. Tent. Pick a big and sturdy tent that fits your whole family comfortably. Find a tent that's easy to set up and has good airflow to keep everyone comfortable while sleeping. Recommended product: Coleman Sundome Tent. Sleeping bags. Invest in high-quality sleeping bags suitable for various weather conditions. Look for sleeping bags that provide warmth and comfort for a restful night's sleep. Recommended product: Teton Sport Celsius XXL Sleeping Bag. Sleeping pads. Thick, cushiony, comfortable sleeping pads can make or break a good night's sleep while camping. Do not deny yourself this luxury when tent camping. Recommended product: POWERLIX Ultralight Inflatable Sleeping Pad. Camp chairs. Pack comfy, portable camp chairs for relaxing by the fire or dining outside. Recommended product: Alps Mountaineering King Kong Chair. Flashlights and lanterns. Ensure you have reliable lighting for nighttime activities and navigating around the campsite. Consider bringing a combination of flashlights and lanterns for versatile illumination. Recommended product: Energizer LED Camping Lantern. First aid kit. Safety is key when camping with your family, especially if you're doing outdoor activities. Bring a complete first aid kit with all the necessary supplies for treating minor injuries and sickness. Recommended product: Protect Life First Aid Kit. Clothing and footwear. Wearing the right clothes and shoes is important to stay comfy and safe during outdoor activities. Weather-appropriate clothing. Bring clothes that match the weather, like layers for warmth, waterproof outerwear, and comfy hiking clothes. Don't forget to bring extra socks and underwear for each family member. Hiking boots and shoes. Make sure everyone has strong, comfy hiking boots or shoes for exploring the trails and terrain around you. Look for footwear with good traction and ankle support. Hats and sunglasses. Keep your family safe from the sun by bringing wide-brimmed hats and sunglasses with UV protection for outdoor activities. Mess kits and cooking supplies. Preparing meals at the campsite requires the right mess kits and cooking supplies. Mess kits. Make sure each family member has their own mess kit with plates, utensils, and roasting forks for s'mores. Look for durable and lightweight mess kits that are easy to clean and pack. Recommended product: GSI Outdoors Glacier Stainless Camper Cookware and Dinnerware Set. Biodegradable soap. Choose biodegradable soap for washing dishes and maintaining hygiene at the campsite. Look for environmentally friendly options that are safe for outdoor use. Recommended product: Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile Liquid Soap. What to bring to eat? Meal ideas. For cooking, prepare simple meals like burgers, hot dogs, grilled steaks, and pre-mixed salads that are easy to make at the campsite. Consider bringing ingredients for classic camping meals for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Propane stove. If you like cooking and want more meal options, think about getting a portable propane stove for versatile cooking at the campsite. Recommended product: Camp Chef Everest 2-burner camp stove. Cooking utensils. Pack essential cooking utensils, pots, and pans for preparing meals at the campsite. Look for compact and durable cooking utensil sets that are suitable for outdoor use. Recommended product: GSI Outdoors Glacier Stainless Camper Cookware and Dinnerware Set. Snacks and treats. Trail mix and granola bars. Stock up on trail mix and granola bars for convenient and energizing snacks during outdoor activities and hikes. Look for a variety of flavors and nutritional options for the whole family. S'mores ingredients. Don't forget to bring the classic s'mores ingredients, including graham crackers, marshmallows, and chocolate bars. Recommended product: Mallomi S'mores Sticks. Staying safe outdoors. Essential safety supplies. Insect repellent and sunscreen. Bring plenty of insect repellent and sunscreen to protect your family from bites and sun exposure. Choose products with high SPF and long-lasting insect protection for outdoor activities. Recommended product: Bullfrog Mosquito Coast Sunscreen SPF 50+ Insect Repellent. Rain gear and ponchos. Be prepared for changes in weather by packing rain gear and inexpensive plastic rain ponchos. Recommended product: Sapphire Rose Hooded Rain Poncho. Final thoughts. By addressing these key factors and utilizing recommended products and practices, you can create a memorable and enjoyable camping adventure for your family.